May
Yes,
mga activities, programa, kalihukan in Bisaya reflected in the reports, accomplishment reports na hindi naman mababasa, makikita, nailista sa physical and financial plan. Tama po ba?
Libog. Nalito ako, Your Honor.
Nandito ka. Anyways, Your Honor,
Ma'am, sa accomplishment report, yes, Senator Judge Zubiri, would you like to offer your services?
Yes, actually, not the services to interpret, but it's possible that Attorney Ligutan could ask the question in Bisaya para maintindihan, kasi pareho kami mga Bisaya, para maintindihan ni Ma'am Acosta. And then, anyway, it can be objected to by the defense because I know there are 3 or 4 of you, Bisaya, taga Cebu, tulo mo diya, nakasabot. So, you can always object if the translation of Attorney Ligutan is wrong, is different. It's simple Bisaya naman. Pakasabot man ta, pero ang mga tinagalog din di kasabot. But it's very simple.
Yes,
so,
so-
maybe that way we don't have to keep stopping. Attorney Ligutan can ask the question first in Tagalog and then translate to simple Bisaya. Makatubag ni si ma'am, she can answer. And then, Attorney Ligutan can offer the answer also in Tagalog. If it is not like, of course, approved by the defense can give a clarification of what the answer of the lady witness has.
The point of the
Thank you
Senator
very much.
Judge is well taken. Of Senator Judge Erwin Tulfo.
Mr. President, I have here the transcript of the hearing in Congress. Hindi ko po maintindihan bakit parang dito hirap na hirap po siya magtagalog when in fact sa Congress po noong November, Tagalog naman po ang sagot niya. Ang tanong po sa kanya ni Congressman Luistro, payment of incentive, 11 po. Would you know whether this amounts would total 120 exactly? Yes, ma'am. Gitotal ko po yan, ma'am. 120 million po. It's all puro Tagalog, Mr. President. Well, what is this? I mean, mabuti po sana pati yung discretionary. And she's a government official. She doesn't know what discretionary means is. I mean, what it means. Dito po, puro sumasagot naman po siya. English, Tagalog. Yes po. Are you aware? Opo. O may authority, special dispersing officer. Kasi po, wala akong alam kung paano po i-implement ang mga confidential. Mr. President, tama na po itong panluloko sa atin. Please, Mr. President, compel this witness to talk in Tagalog. Kahit po yung mga Bisaya po nakaintindi ng Tagalog, nakakasalita ng Tagalog, ano tayo sa ibang bansa? Ano tayo, mga Hapon, mga Chinese? I know, Ms. Witness, you can understand Tagalog, you can speak Tagalog dahil nandito po ito. Ilang pahina po ito. Tagalog po yung sagot po ninyo. English po, sumasagot kayo. Tinatanong kayo ng English, sumasagot po kayo. Bakit ngayon parang hirap na hirap? Kailangan i-translate sa Tagalog, sa Bisaya, sagot, Tagalog, Bisaya, Tagalog, Bisaya. E abutin mo tayo ng isang taon dito, Mr. President. Ito po yun. Sumagot naman po siya. Alam nga ba naman, lulukuhin tayo ng nagtatranscribe po nito. Sagot po yan. Kasi po, nagbabase lang po ako sa ibinigay ni Sir La Chica ng mga ibinalik niya sa akin. Ms. Acosta, kindly answer the question. Piatos po ang sinabi ko, ma'am, na apelyido. That's all, Mr. President.
Thank you, Senator Judge Erwin Tulfo. Point well taken.